Hi guys, welcome to Only Man's Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to discuss finding median for grouped data and ungrouped data. Okay, so in the first one, finding median for ungrouped data when class intervals is not given. Okay, the following steps are to be followed for finding median for ungrouped data. So in the first step, arranging the data in ascending or descending order. When the data is given, when the observations are given, we need to arrange either in ascending order or descending order. That is the first step. Second one, count the total number of observations, that is n. Check if the number of observations is even or odd. Okay, now when finding the median formula, when n is odd, when number of observations is odd. So in the given set of numbers, if the number of observations are odd, then we use the formula median equal to n plus 1 by 2 the term. N plus 1 by 2 the term. Example, the ages of the high school teachers is listed below. Find the median: 32, 25, 29, 42, 39, 51, 30. Okay, what is first step? First step, we need to arrange the given observations in either ascending or descending order. Okay, arrange it in ascending order. Then what is next step? Count the number of observations. That is, here the number of observations is 7. Okay, that is odd number. Therefore, we use the formula median equal to n plus 1 by 2 the term. So that is 7 plus 1 by 2. That is 8th term. 8 by 2 we get 4th term. Therefore, the median of the given observations is 4th term, guys. That is 32. So that is 4th term, that is 32. Okay. I hope you understand this method. Finding the median of ungrouped data when n is odd. In the next video, we are going to discuss finding the median of ungrouped data when n is even. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates.